space heaters can be a fast and economical way to warm things up in any room of your house when temperatures dip. And they can be a beneficial tool to keep on hand in case of emergencies. These portable devices allow you to bring an effective boost of heat where you need it, indoors or outdoors. Number 1. Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater. The Dr. Infrared Heater's advanced dual heating system, combining PTC and quartz infrared element, keeps you warm this winter while saving on heating bills. Equipped with a dual heating system and high-velocity low-noise blower, the Dr. Infrared Heater increases the heat distribution, and the result is heating your room to a comfortable temperature. Fast. The Dr. Infrared Heater is certified by Underwriters Laboratories USA and Canada, ensuring the highest safety standard. The Dr. Infrared Heater is perfectly safe around children and pets and only gets warm to the touch. It does not have exposed heating elements that can cause a fire. The Dr. Infrared Heater comes with energy-saving auto mode, high and low setting when the mode is set to auto. Number 2. DeLonghi Mica Thermic Panel Heater. The compact DeLonghi HMP 1500 Mica Panel Heater packs 1500W of maximum heating power in a stylish, functional design that blends in perfectly with any decor. With its small footprint, mechanical controls, and convenient wall mount option, it's designed to quickly and efficiently heat large rooms with multi-directional warmth without taking up floor space. Its adjustable room thermostat is set to auto heat distribution through Mica Thermic technology. For extra peace of mind, a thermal shut-off function prevents overheating, and the tip-over switch automatically shuts the heater off and sounds an alarm if knocked over. Lightweight and portable. Number 3. Vornado AVH10 Vortex Heater. The AVH10 is one of Vornado's next generation of whole room heaters. The modern styling on the outside hints at an enhanced design within, including auto climate control to automatically adjust and maintain a balanced room temperature, while the heat output is enough to keep everyone in the room comfortable. The AVH10's exterior remains cool to the touch, using specially tuned airflow called Vortex action. The AVH10 creates a twisting current of air that flows fast, warm and gentle, circulating the heat throughout the entire room using walls and ceilings as pathways. High exit air temperature, 140, low exit air temperature, 140. The AVH10 can easily pay for itself in energy savings. Number 4. Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool Air Purifier Heater. The Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool is the only purifying heater plus fan to clean a whole room properly. And we design our purifying heater plus fans to go beyond test chamber conditions and focus on real home conditions and fashion. This is more than just having an efficient filter one. And Dyson engineers and research concluded that to clean an entire room properly, you need to sense pollution events automatically. Only the Dyson Purifying Heater Plus fan is designed and tested to do all of this. The sealed HEPA filter captures 99.97% of allergens as small as 0.3 microns, making this an ideal air purifier for allergies. Number 5. Lasko Heating Space Heater. Including high heat and low heat plus an auto setting make this electric space heater ideal for warming up an area in your home or home office. With full circle oscillation, this heater distributes warm air throughout the entire room. Allows this space heater to distribute warm air throughout large rooms. The full circle design allows you to select 90, 170, or full 360-degree coverage, while an easy-to-clean filter ensures the heater runs efficiently. with digital display allows you to adjust the heater's 1500-watt ceramic heating element. With an easy-to-read digital temperature display, you can select a wide range of temperatures in Fahrenheit or Celsius.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.